After Mr. Trump's tariff announcements, US market and Indian stock market has gone for a toss. There has been heavy selling. The only resilient sector till now has been banking, but once banking also starts falling, we will see there is going to be complete chaos in the market. Now, this chaos, this panic has now extended to gold and silver. Now, silver started falling from yesterday, and almost today also it has reacted a lot on the downside, and even gold has been reacting on the downside. It's made a top out, and the short term top out has been made, and this panic is extending into precious metals also. Come, let me show you the charts and where are the supports for the gold, where are the supports for the silver. Let us understand that maybe it will be an opportunity for us to consider buying when it falls drastically in this panic scenario. Now, let me show you the chart of silver futures. The silver futures, if you see here, it's already corrected almost up to 87,000 rupees on MCX. That means on spot market it will be definitely 4-5,000 higher, which is around 91,000. Let me show you even the spot price, it's around 91,000. It went up to 104,000 for 1 kg silver, tax paid on spot gold, spot silver. Now if you see even gold, it's trading in the spot market around 91,000 rupees, 91,170 per tula, that is for 10 grams. Even the dollar is reacting on the downside. Whenever there is a bearish scenario, the bearish scenario doesn't stay only for stock market. It continues for precious and even in the currency markets and even in bitcoins. So there's whole round participation in this bear phase, and that continuation is taking place. Only few of the fundamentally good stocks are holding on in the US market, but when they also fall, because I see a lot of negative patterns happening even in fundamentally good stocks. So next few days, few weeks, US stock markets, gold, silver are also going to see some sort of bounce backs, but they are not going to sustain. That's what the charts are indicating. Let me show you the chart once again. Now if you see, there are some sort of pullbacks. See the volumes, see the amount of volumes of the sell off in the last 2 days. So this is definitely a panic selling that's taking place. Any bounce in silver, any bounce in gold, it's not going to sustain. It's going to fall again and take some major support somewhere at the bottom levels. Now if you see the silver MCX chart, we have a great bottom support around 78,000 in silver. Now you see in the daily chart, it's broken the weekly 200 days average. Now the 200 weeks average is coming to somewhere around 73,000 in the weekly chart, but in the daily chart it's already broken there. But major support we see here at 79,000. That means in the spot market it should be somewhere around 83 to 85,000 silver level, where there can be some decent bounce or a good bounce. So 83,000 on the technical charts in the spot market, 83,000 on the spot market is going to be a good support for silver 1 kg. So that's the major support what we are seeing in the silver market, and below that there is again a very great support around 70,000. That means around 75,000. So 75,000 to 83, 84, or maybe 85,000 range is going to be a great range where it will stop falling. That's what the major supports are indicating on the charts. So any bounce in silver from the present 87, 88,000 in the MCX is not going to stay. There will be some sort of pullbacks and bounces, but that bounces may not stay forever. Again, there is going to be some sort of a trend change that's going to take place. In the recent past, we have seen gold, silver is never looking on the downside. It's continuously looking on the upside, and it was indicating that it's going to make major tops and it will continue that bullish trend. But today's move is definitely an important move, because these are giving us signs of some sort of bullish move and a top out in the short term, and maybe this top out will stay for some more time, because the amount of reactions what you see, if you see in the gold, there have been small green candles, but if you see these candles, they are huge big red candles. And if you could see this sort of a volatile candle, which is sort of a spinning top where the body is very less, but the volatility of these swings have been huge, and that low of this swing has been broken at $3,055, and going down and down, we see major supports around $2,850. That means almost another $200 here. That means we will see some sort of major reactions even in gold, which will come down almost easily up to another 6,000 rupees per tula. That's somewhere around 85,000. So 80 to 85,000 per tula of gold can be expected going forward, even if from 91,000 the current spot market, if it goes to 93, 94,000, also from there again there can be some sort of profit booking, and then finally it should settle down somewhere around 85,000 or so, or maybe 80,000, which can be a great level, which may stay there, and good bounce can be expected around those levels. That is what the charts are indicating. However, I'm not a SEBI analyst. I'm just trying to find out the top out situations, because the current scenario says, whenever there is uncertainty because of tariffs, we feel that gold is a safe haven and people will start buying gold again and again. Because of the uncertainty scenario, the gold will make more highs, but this is overdone. It is more not to be considered that it's going to be a safe haven now, because if it is a safe haven, people will shift money into gold, the gold prices will go up. But the move of gold prices have been abnormal in the short term, because generally it gives 9 to 10% per annum return, or 8 to 10% return per annum. But this time, if you've seen in the last 1 year, the gold prices have gone up by almost 40 to 50%, which is abnormal. So this euphoria will create some sort of buying in the retailers, and the institutions and all will use this opportunity to sell off. That sort of scenario is what we are seeing in gold. And there are reports, even analysts from Morningstar and all are indicating that there can be some sort of proper profit booking in gold worldwide. So be cautious, be careful. Whenever there is a great dip in gold, that can be an opportunity to buy. But right now, it stay back, stay away for some time. That is what the charts are indicating. I am not a SEBI analyst. Please do your research. Please consult your financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Happy investment. Wait for great opportunities to come. Be in a liquid situation that can give great opportunities, because stock market, even precious gold, silver, and even currency markets are going to see some sort of huge volatility and bearishness. That's what the charts are indicating. So wait for great dip, be in liquid situations, hold the cash positions, and that money can help you to invest when the markets are falling, whether it is in stocks, whether it is in gold, whether it is in silver, whether it is in currency. That's what the indications are indicating. There are so many mutual funds which are also in a cash positions. Why? Because they are expecting some sort of weaknesses in various assets. That cash level can help them invest more. In the recent past, I have done a video on HDFC focused 30 fund, where the liquidity situation, the cash position is almost 11 to 12% in that particular fund, indicating that they are expecting some great opportunities to come in. That's why they are maybe in the cash positions. So please be careful. Please consult your financial advisor and take informed decisions. Happy investing. Thank you.